Welcome back everyone. In today's episode, we're tackling session persistence and sticky sessions for proxies. I've put together a really thorough breakdown for you, covering everything from the basics to some advanced strategies. Let's do this. Session persistence, also called sticky sessions, is a fundamental concept in the proxy and web scraping ecosystem. Understanding how it works helps you make better decisions about your proxy infrastructure and data collection strategy. Let's start with the definition and overview. Session persistence in proxy networks means maintaining the same IP address for a client across multiple requests over a defined period. Without session persistence, each request might exit through a different IP, breaking authenticated sessions on target websites. So why does session persistence matter? Many websites track users by IP address. If your IP changes mid-session, you can get logged out, lose your shopping cart, trigger security alerts, or fail CSRF token validation. All of these break your scraping workflow. Now let's talk about how to configure sticky sessions. Most proxy providers use session IDs in the username field to enable this. The way it works is you create a unique session identifier and then include that in your proxy credentials. All requests that share the same session ID will be routed through the same IP address for the duration of the session. So for example, you would set up your proxy connection with a session ID like ABC123 in the username. Then every request you make using that same session ID comes from the same IP address. This is essential for any multi-step workflow where you need the website to see you as the same visitor across requests. Let's talk about session duration options. Different providers offer different session lengths. Some give you short sessions lasting a few minutes, which is good for quick tasks. Others offer sessions lasting 10, 15, or even 30 minutes for longer workflows. Some providers even support extended sessions of an hour or more for complex scraping operations. The right duration depends on your specific use case. Now for some frequently asked questions. How does session persistence relate to web scraping? Session persistence is critical for scraping websites that require login, maintain shopping carts, or use CSRF tokens. Without sticky sessions, multi-page scraping workflows break. Where can you learn more? Our comprehensive proxy glossary covers additional terminology, and our guides on proxy types give in-depth explanations of each proxy category. That brings us to the end of today's guide on session persistence and sticky sessions for proxies. I packed a lot into this one, so if you need to, feel free to come back and listen to certain sections again. And if you want even more resources, dataresearchtools.com has hundreds of articles on proxies, scraping, automation, and more. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon.